Hi guys, today is the day. Today is the day that the Lord has made. That the Lord has made. We will rejoice, we will rejoice, and be glad in it. What I'm doing? Today is the day that I'm going to see my friend. She arrived last night from Scotland. I'm halfway ready. And the reason why I'm not done because we had breakfast, so I don't have my brow. So we're gonna get ready and we'll see how long I can vlog all the way today, because I don't think I'm gonna vlog after today because we're gonna be busy packing, going back to Scotland. So I'm afraid holiday it's over. Back in UK, another cold weather, so I don't know if I can create a content in UK because back to reality. We'll see about that. This is my natural hair, by the way. It's scary. Right, okay. Let me get ready and I'll see you when I have my outfit on. Hi guys, outfit of the day. Ito yung suot ko. Bad yung lighting. Parang bad side ko to. Dapat dito ako. Hindi siya gumagalaw. Ako na nga. So, ito yung kadate ko. Say hi. Hello! Yes, naghahanap kami ng sugar daddy. Ay, yung maya. Kagabi, kaya masyado. Thank you. Thank you. Tingnan mo naman yan. Ay, lusog-busog. Lusog-busog. Honestly, yung araw dito, nakakaano siya. Nakakaganda. Nakakaganda. Walang filters ko. Honest. Walang filters. Nulit. Guys, this is the life. Ayan na pala yung ganun mag 360 oh. May-ari ng Hard Rock Hotel. Wish ko lang. Libre mangarap guys. Uy, ginoo ko. Ang ganda oh. Pag nalaglag tong mobile ko, wala na. Wala na to. Ano naman? Ganda. Ayun oh, nakita mo yung... This is like a drone shot without the drone. Pro. Tapos yun, parang ako naaano sa phone mo eh. I know. Don't worry about it. Walang insurance to. So, merong iPhone 14, diba? Look at that. Ganda. Galing ba tayo doon eh? Hindi pa gusto mo. Ito lang, parang ano lang to, bubong yung garden na yan, bubong lang yan. I think we're sitting the area. You know that dome one? Because see when we sit down there in the lobby, that's the one, the dome. Nakikiano lang ako guys, naki-osyo lang ako dito. Ayan na pala yung beach eh. Let's go. Sa laki ng hotel, kailangan ng map. Ligaw-ligaw na. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, guys. I'm currently packing our last full day here in Tenerife. So I'm currently packing right now so I can enjoy the whole day today. Yesterday, went to see my friend Nimpa just to spend the day with her. Para naman maiba naman yung, activities, kumbaga. Ang ganda-ganda ng Hard Rock Hotel, 5-star, which is, ang lakas-lakas po ng music is too loud. I mean, the music is playing the whole entire day while I'm there. So, alam nyo naman, music is a no-no in YouTube, so ma-copyrights tayo, so it is really impossible to vlog. And let me tell you, it's really beautiful hotel compared to our hotel, of course 5-star. Seeing that, I don't really want to vlog the whole entire day while having like quality time with Nimpa. Nimpa is our we have quite a big group of friends, but I know Nimpa for I don't know how many years. It's quite a long years as well. But like I said, we're not really like seeing each other like regularly, but we also go out lunch. I did not vlog a lot due to the music, and also I just like to enjoy the having time together kasi bihira lang kami magkita-kita din minsan. Saka minsan talaga, you don't really have to vlog kapag nag-i-enjoy ka. Minsan kailangan mo ring isantabi yung vlogging. Hindi mo kailangan i-vlog lahat, kumbaga. Yung mga nakikita inyong vlog, mga kunting footage lang yan, guys. Yan, pinapakita sa inyo yung parang a little bit of here and there. You know what I mean? Naman ako, video ng konti. Kaso lang hindi siya yung landscape. Siya, portrait. Kung napapansin nyo, yung vlog ko minsan meron siyang overlay na portrait. Meaning, nakapag-video ako pero not so details about it. Showing you na, I was there on the place. Para may evidence ako na nagpunta talaga ako sa pinuntahan ko. Baka kasi sabihin nyo na, nagsasabi lang ako tapos hindi pala. So yeah, we had a lovely time. At first, drinap ko yung aking mga junakis.
Thank you.
Thank you. Right, enjoy your time.
Sarah, you gotta pay.
Mom's go pay. I'm going to pay it up.
Thank you. Yeah, well, bye.
It's beautiful. Siam Park. It's like a water park kind of a thing. Apparently, it's the best in there. Mga binata at dalaga na po yung mga anak ko. Apparently, they have the best time. Nag-asa ko ng video. Sabi ko sa anak ko, pahingi ng kopya ng ng video. Para lang sa sa vlog. Ayaw talaga akong bigyan. Siya? Bitter. Oh, by the way, guys, this is what I'm talking about, packing cubes. This is so much easier when you pack your suitcase. It's so much easier. Kasi lagi ako nagtatravel. Who is that?
Obviously me.
I'm just telling the story about yesterday's event. I'm going back to sleep.
Yeah.
Anyway, mamaya na kasi andito na naman siya. Hindi ako makapag-vlog kapag nandito. Turbo talaga. By the way, Sarah, I don't think I can wear this one anymore. Just gonna give it to you. It's too small for me. Hi guys, I'm meeting my husband on the pool. Sabi ko, lalabas ako mag-breakfast. Sama ka ba? Sabi niya, oo ba, I'm just gonna have a coffee. Kasi hindi ako nag-breakfast kanina, eh, sila lang yung tatlo. Kaya nag-impake ako ng maaga. Hindi to siya.
Still on here, the back here, that's a mirror.
I just see coffee in there, a big mug.
Welcome to Brunch. Hello. Any drinks already maybe for you to start with, please?
Can we just check
Yes,
the
of course.
menu
Please.
first? Thank you.
This one there. Two poached egg, smells avocado.
I'm just going to have a York ham and egg croissant.
Oh, there's some cookie balls in here. I'm gonna have a salmon toast avocado. Kapilapi. Thank you. That's nice coffee.
Yeah, I think I would definitely come back to this area.
Eh?
I would come back to this area. Maybe worth looking at the apartments in the area.
The one there in overlooking on our balcony. It's only one house, I think that one.
Yeah, but a private house, so
Yeah. There's ginger and lemon.
it's more upper class than Los Gigantes, I think.
Is that good? This is cost what?
Very good there. You pick that up, it's very expensive.
Very tasty, right? Because of the salmon.
Thank you.
You think you can eat this? Is this edible?
No, I don't think so.
You put that on there.
Can you tell Sarah you were going out?
She knows. She was there.
Good? Everything okay here, guys?
Yeah, that's good, thank you.
Look at their garage. Pink. I want that garage on my house. Paborito ko yan. Last full day. Home tomorrow. So nakabalik na kami, no? Masarap doon. Grabe naman kung mag-start talaga ako, mag-blow dry din siya, no? So magkarinigan kaya tayo dito. Let's continue pack our suitcase. Puno na yung kabila. Sa kabila naman tayo. Panira talaga to eh. Pasensya na kayo guys. Kasi panira talaga yung anak ko eh. Kung kailan ako mag-umpisa mag-vlogging, doon din siya mag-drive. Anyway, mga alas 4 na dito, no? Ng hapon. So, mag-dinner na po din. Yeah. I guess, let's just end this vlog. I just wanna say thank you everybody for watching my vlog. Wow. Akala mo naman millions no ang nanonood. 20 lang mo diha. Ilan lang kayo. Panoorin nyo naman yung vlog ko. Maawa kayo. Anyway guys. Salamat.